Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
MLA jong ke BJP na penthor umkra uba Alexander lalu hek. Uba laju badru baro shikata kum Myntri katanat ke koi kakia. Ula Shah Weng no na ke Shuki Myntri badah ke jaka jong la penrung da uba Sanbor Sulai. Uba day MLA ke BJP na 19 Shillong South Constituency. La pentian semai uba Sanbor kum Myntri Sorkar do ulat kenjela. Satyapal Malik ke jingelang pentian semai kebalalong hajaka sa jong ulan haraj bhavan.
And that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Sanbor Sulai, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
Habakran kilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingelang pentian semai. Menteri rangba ke jela Konrad Sangma ula ong ba ke jingkel yang menteri ka syong ha ke jingkwa jong ki parti ki badon ha ke Sorkar MDA bad ha ke bayadai bad ke BJP ru Konrad Sangma ula ong ba ke dai ke jingkwa jong ke tehi ke parti ban kel yang menteri no khanang ban yo ailat lang yo ba Sanbor ru bo unrung ha ke thop menteri Sorkar. Konrad Sangma ulia tho bakani ke jingete ban yakal yang menteri kadai nado ke por basdang ban khau yak Sorkar MDA kata hausnam arzar khatpra bakaladon ke jing yakren hapdeng ki he nong elam ke parti BJP harengkat ke jing don lang jong bakin ye sam ya ke Shuki hapdeng uba AL hek bat uba Sanbor Sulai. Ulia tho bala shim ye ke rai ban kel yang menteri kadai hadin bo presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri ula pha jingkho sha ban penken mau yakatai ga jingete
in the political party. If you recall, last year after we had finished or completed 2.5 years of the MDA government, that time there was a discussion and we had changed 2 ministers, one from the NPP and one from the HSPDP. In both cases, there was a verbal agreement that they will be sharing, and accordingly, to ensure that there is no difference in the political party, I had made it clear that the presidents of the parties should inform me in writing or verbally how we should move forward. So similarly, in 2018, when we were forming the government, there was a discussion in the presence of Shri Alphonse, the then Tourism Minister, Government of India, and in charge of Meghalaya, Mr. Nalin Kohli, then the then President, Mr. Shibun Lingdo, and the current Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, and myself and Mr. Sanbor Sulai. There was a discussion on the fact that who should be inducted as the cabinet minister, and the BJP party discussed in detail, and finally they called me. So we had a discussion in that matter, and in that discussion there was a understanding, and there was a discussion between Mr. Sanbor Sulai and also Mr. A.L. Hek that they will be sharing the minister berth. When 2.5 years was completed, the president of the party at that point was Mr. Ernest Mauri, and it was not Shri Shibun Lingdo. So therefore, since Mr. Ernest Mauri was not privy to the meeting in 2018, so there was a slight communication gap. I did not want to come into the matters of the party, so therefore I had left the decision to the party to decide on how they should move forward. So I did not get any communication from the party, and therefore we did not go ahead with it at that point in time, because as I said, I don't want to interfere in the party's matters. Then Mr. Sanbor Shulai has been stressing on the fact many times to me also and to the party leadership also that he should be inducted as per the understanding that was there in 2018. So once again I left it to the party, BJP party, to decide, and accordingly I received a letter from the president of the BJP Meghalaya State Unit mentioning and referring to the discussion of 2018 and suggesting and proposing that Shri Sanbor Shulai, based on the commitment that was given in 2018, be inducted into the cabinet. And it is based on that confirmation and the written letter I received that we have gone ahead with the swearing in of Shri Sanbor Shulai into the cabinet today. So that is the in PDF and UDP at that point in time, there was no discussion that took place in front of me. So therefore, I don't want to comment on that. Apart from that, any decision that the party has, it is an internal matter, and the party will have to take the decision. So I do not want to make comments on that. It is purely a party decision that will be taken by them.